Hello everyone, in today's video I am making this EPIPHYLLUM oxipetalum plant that is sort of like a dragon fruit flower. At first I was thinking of making only the flowers, and then I thought I'll add some leaves, and then I made a whole plant. It turned out very beautiful in the end, so that is why I wanted to share with you all how I made this, what products and what materials I've been using in a very short video possible. I hope you enjoy watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it already, and leave some comments below. I would really love to hear what you think about this craft. For making the pollen grains, the yellowish grain on top, I simply dip it in acrylic paint and then I let it dry completely before I use it on my flowers. இது ரொம்ப சிம்பிளா இருக்கும். அந்த pollen grainsக்கு acrylic paintல அப்படியே அந்த டிப்பை மட்டும் அப்படியே முக்கி எடுத்துட்டு காய வச்சுட்டு அப்புறமா பூக்கள்ல யூஸ் பண்ணுவேன். Making sepals, cut out a round shape from the foam sheet, draw a flower, warm it up, reshape like sepals. For making the leaves realistic, you can use both oil pastels and acrylic together, sort of like a mixed media art. For veins, I put these oil pastels. You can give more details. Try to use acrylic colors by mixing them. I use darker shades below, and on the tip of the leaves I use lighter shades of yellow, so it will look realistic. நான் லீவ்ஸ் பண்ணும்போது நிறைய கலர்ஸ் யூஸ் பண்ணேன். Lemon yellow, light yellow, like mixed with lemon yellow mixed with white, and brown. I used dark brown, deep green, a lot of colors to paint my leaves to make it more attractive and realistic. Now if you see it closely, you can see all that oil pastels in the middle that pop out like veins. In this step, attach leaves to the stalk. I have posted a video on how you can make thick branches or thick stalks, thick stems like this using newspaper and stem wires. You can use floral wires as well. Please check that out if you find that useful for making your crafts. I will leave the link below in the description box. Now as you can see, I have used a lot of colors for the leaves, from yellow to brown to green and everything. If you see carefully, you can see that lines and veins that seems to pop out because I used oil pastels on the leaves. I'm going to display this plant on the vase that I made in the previous video. I need 2 poles so that the plant can climb on it. I'm making the base thicker. Stick this firmly to the base of the vase. Attach 5 leaves and 1 flower together like this. Cross wind. என்னடா இவங்க இவ்வளோ ஒன்றும் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க, இவ்வளோ லீவ்ஸ் பண்ணணுமா, இவ்வளோ ஃப்ளவர்ஸ் பண்ணணுமா நினச்சி போயிடாதீங்க. ஜஸ்ட் ஒரு ஃப்ளவரும் 1-2 லீவ் பண்ணாலே அவ்வளோ எலகண்ட்டாக இருக்கும் பார்க்குறதுக்கு. கண்டிப்பாக செஞ்சு பாருங்கள். I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, do subscribe to my channel. Also leave a comment below. I would really love to hear from you all. கண்டிப்பா கீழ கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க. நீங்க சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணாதவங்க கண்டிப்பா சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க. எவ்வளோ சிம்பிளான மெட்டீரியல்ஸ் யூஸ் பண்ணி அழகான கிராஃப்ட்ஸ் பண்ண முடியும்ங்கிற ஐடியாஸை நான் ஷேர் பண்ணிட்டு அப்லோட் பண்ணிட்டு வந்துட்டு இருக்கேன். So thank you so much for watching. Stay cheerful and blessed.